Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Lana Doll in the new DTI update. So the new Lana Doll update is here in DTI and I'll show you exactly how you can unlock it step by step. As you guys can see in here, when you go to the nail shop in here, where there's Lana, here you can see this broken doll. So you can unlock it in the free play. So if you want to unlock it, first you need to teleport into the free play mode. And after that, what you need to do here, you can see this is the broken doll. And you need to show it by collecting 3 items. So the first one, you can collect this thread. Click on E to collect it. And the second item that you need to get to unlock the doll, you can go in here, go outside, and go to the back of the house in here. So you'll find the hashtags in here. You need to click on E to search it. So just long press on the E until the item is found. Okay, so you'll get this needle and now go inside the house. The second item can be found on the house in here. Go upstairs and go to the room on the left here, and as you guys can see at the top in here, you just need to squeeze the teddy bear to get the next item. Okay, now go back to the where Lana is. So after you collect all of the items, you can just go back to the doll in here and show it. Okay, so just wait and your doll now is unlocked. So beside the doll, you also get the seashells. So don't forget to claim and unlock your seashells and doll in the new update. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.